The milking screen can be set up to suit different users performing different tasks. In this video, we're going to look at how to customize the columns on the milking screen. So here's a new milking layout. As you can see, there are no columns currently set up. Let's go ahead and set it up like the example I just showed you. Click Menu, Settings, Milking Layout. On the layout you wish to adjust, we're on cups on at the moment, so we'll adjust that. Click the pencil, make our way to the Columns tab. As you can see, there are no columns currently set up. The list of columns available here is decided based on the modules you have purchased. We want to set up SCC, milk solids, and litres. If you want to put litres first, just push it to the top of the list, or if you want it to be last, just move it to the bottom. Once you've got it set up the way you want it, always remember to click Save. Now if we make our way back to the milking screen, these columns have now been added and data will be populated in these columns during the next milking.